Still writing every database change by hand, one script at a time? You're doing way more work than you need to, and risking way more than you should. Hey folks, I'm Forge Barrett, master of the Content Forge here at SchemaSmith. Today I'm going to show you why declarative database updates are a smarter, safer way to manage your SQL Server schema. But first, let's talk about the old way. An imperative update is all about control. You write step-by-step instructions telling the database exactly how to change, from start to finish. Add, modify, delete a column, alter table, fix some data, update X, rename something, execute SP rename, and you better keep every change in order, usually with a stack of numbered scripts or a change log to track what's been run and where. Your repository winds up looking like a messy set of differences instead of a clean list of all the source files, like your application code. If you've ever wondered, does this match prod? Or worse, why doesn't this match prod? You've probably been bitten by database drift. Here's what makes imperative updates fragile. You have to write every change manually. No room for shortcuts. Everything depends on applying scripts in the right order. One misstep and you've got a broken deployment, or worse, a broken app. Want to roll something back? You better have written a rollback script by hand. Wait, did you test that? And once you've got more than one developer or DBA, good luck remembering how we did this last time. Now look, I'm not saying imperative updates haven't served their purpose, but we're not blacksmithing in the dark anymore. There's a cleaner, safer way to forge your schema. Instead of scripting every strike, you define the final shape and let the tooling figure out how to get there. That's the declarative approach. With declarative updates, you don't describe the steps, you describe the goal. Instead of saying, add this column or change that type, you define what the table or the whole schema should look like. The tool compares that to what's live, figures out what's different, and applies only what's needed. That means less human error, consistent results across environments, safe, repeatable deployments. And if you run it again, no harm done. It's idempotent. Here at SchemaSmith, SchemaQuench is our tool for declarative updates. You define your table schema using editable JSON metadata. SchemaQuench compares it to the target server and makes just the right changes. You want to add a column? Just update the metadata. SchemaQuench will apply it safely, even across dozens of databases at once. Stored procedures, views, indexes, all handled like the rest of your source code. Define once, track every environment. Quench with confidence. Declarative updates aren't just cleaner. They're smarter. They scale better. They test better. They fail better because you know what is there before you strike. With schematongs, you cast your current schema. And with SchemaQuench, you harden it into production, confident and consistent. So if you're still tracking changes with folders full of handwritten scripts, maybe it's time to put down the chisel and pick up a better tool. Try SchemaQuench and start building your schema like it's 2025, not 2005.